Hi, my name is Cicely, and we are in Dallas, Texas. And so I just finished my training, my 3 day training, and wow, I feel like from when we started on Friday until today, first of all, it went really fast, and I learned a tremendous amount. Um, Kind of night and day between where I was and where I am now. Um, a lot of information. There's a lot of information. It was very intense, very detailed, but in a very good way. So I feel like I just got a crash course in real estate investing, and I know that there's a tremendous amount of learning that I will still need to do in the near future. But it was a great experience, invaluable experience, and I have looked into a lot of real estate investing training courses in the past, and I've never come across anything like this. So I would definitely say that you're not going to get a course like this, with this level of personal attention and just this level of intensity and depth. You're not going to get this anywhere else. So to me, it was definitely worth it, and I'm going to be able to use the information that I learned. I'm going to be able to use this for weeks and months and years to come. And I know that, again, there's a lot more that I still have to learn, but this gave me just an incredible starting point. And again, it's like a mini course, like a crash course. And this starting point was a very in-depth foundation that is going to then catapult me into just continued learning and practice and in actually doing deals. So definitely worth it, definitely an invaluable experience. And again, it's not something that I know that you're going to get anywhere else. So